It was my meeting with Desh a couple of years back that gave me a realization how people who work at a grassroots level can really impact people's lives. It was that realization that inspired me to contribute to this great purpose. There are lots of social entrepreneurs that have come together to make this happen.
There are different types of people in this world. Some people see a problem and complain about it. Some people see a problem and get all excited about it. And the only difference between a vibrant community and an impoverished community is the mix of these people. So the core idea behind the sandbox is to really convert people who feel helpless and who feel victimized into problem solvers.
At the Soch Sandbox, we not only work in Varanasi, but actually 5 districts surrounding Varanasi. So the idea is to impact a region and involve the community as we try and create this impact. We've been able to work on 5 main projects, and we've really been excited by the progress we've seen these projects make on the ground. The first project that we started was the LEAD program. This involved a lot of youth from the different colleges in the region.
So we at LEAD, we connect, we support and we inspire these young college students through various activities, through the live program and the exposure activities that they take with putting their hands on learning.
One day I am sitting my home, I saw that my mother was separating some clothes and suddenly some idea stuck in my mind. I think donate my old clothes to that needful people. I gathered 20 people and we went different location of Varanasi. We collected more than 770 clothes in 2 hours. We donated that more than 500 clothes to underprivileged people of Varanasi.
Over the course of the last 1 year, the LEAD program has been able to engage with over 400 student leaders who've come together to take up over 100 leadership initiatives. And each of those initiatives have in their own way created an impact. The Agastya Foundation has been running mobile science vans which have been going to various government schools to create awareness around science projects and science business model.
Agastya's mission is to spark curiosity, creativity and humanity. Our vision is of a creative India. On the one hand, of innovators, creators, solution seekers. We use hands-on science learning methods to spark that curiosity, creativity, the spirit of tinkering and experimenting.
मैंने 6th, 7th, 8th में विज्ञान के बारे में विज्ञान पढ़ती थी, लेकिन इतना इसके बारे में मेरा ध्यान नहीं लगता था. लेकिन जब से मैं 9th क्लास में आई और भैरवनाथ में एक गाड़ी आती थी अगस्त्या इंटरनेशनल का, और उसने मुझे विज्ञान के बारे में बहुत सारी चीज़ें बताई, बहुत सारी चीज़ें सिखाई.
The Agastya Foundation has covered over 250 schools and touched close to 40,000 students who've got exposed to different projects that the Agastya Foundation has offered. The Save a Mother program, which has basically focused on the very important issue of maternal mortality and tried to provide a lot of information to pregnant mothers.
An organization that we started in 2008 to decrease the maternal mortality. Our program includes social behavior change by making simple messages which are delivered frequently through volunteers at the ground level. As an organization, we train hundreds and thousands of volunteers, 1 to 2 per village. These trained volunteers then have village meetings once a week or more to deliver these simplified messages.
The Save a Mother program. This has had a significant impact, covering close to 100 villages in which over 300 Swasth Sakhis have been trained in order to build a program that is sustainable. The Fuel program has provided significant career counseling, government schools and colleges in the region.
We provide career orientation, psychometric aptitude test with personality, aptitude and interest, and one-on-one counseling with parents to all the students. The counseling helps the students to decide their required career goal, and our helpline gives them different scholarship and entrance exam alerts, thereby enabling them to identify an opportunity.
फ्यूल संस्था का एक सोच सैंडबॉक्स द्वारा एक टेस्ट का आयोजन किया गया है, जिसके आधार पर हमारे व्यक्तित्व का परीक्षण किया गया है. हमें आगे चल के किस विभाग में तथा कौन सी सोचों को हमें आगे बढ़ाना है उसके बारे में बताया गया है. इस प्रोग्राम से जुड़ने के बाद मुझे ये पता चला कि मैं अपने भविष्य तथा अपनी योग्यता के आधार पर कौन से विभाग में आगे बढ़ सकता हूँ.
And over close to 6,000 students have got exposed to the career counseling workshops that the Fuel program has run in the Soch Sandbox.
Navodimi is about leveraging entrepreneurship at the bottom of the pyramid. It's amazing to see the kind of ideas and entrepreneurs we have come across during Navodami program.
मैं अनिल कुमार वाराणसी का रहने वाला हूं, जो कि मैं हैंडीक्राफ्ट और मूर्ति कला से संबंधित कार्य करता हूं। नवोद्यमी से जुड़ने के बाद मेरे को ये पता चला कैसे लोगों के बीच में आसानी से पहुंचाया जा सके। जब इनके संस्था द्वारा मीटिंग, कोई सेमिनार आयोजन किया जाता है तब मैं वहां जाता हूं और नई नई टेक्नोलॉजियों के बारे में इस संस्था द्वारा मेरे को नई नई जानकारियां मिली, जिससे मैं अपने व्यापार को और अच्छा कर पा रहा हूं।
The Navodami program, targeted towards micro-entrepreneurs, has been able to touch close to 300 micro-entrepreneurs in the region and supported them both through mentorship and capital.
Every citizen in India embraces the problems and becomes a problem solver. There is no problem that's too big to solve for the country.
So come, join us in this great journey of changing people's lives at the grassroots level and making our little contribution to building a new developed India.